Hi guys, welcome back. So today is gonna be kind of like a different kind of video. It's kind of gonna be just like a talk video, because I don't know, there's been a lot of things on my mind lately, and there's just been a lot, and I just, I feel like in order for me to make a decision and in order for me to fully know what I'm going to do, I kind of have to ask you guys and see where you guys are coming from and what do you guys think, because only fair, like, I feel like we're like all friends, like we're like a family, like my little, my little small little family, like on YouTube, like so many of you guys I talk to all the time. So obviously, I kind of have to talk to you guys about any like changes or anything, or any ideas that I have. As you guys know, I started my channel, I believe it was in 2015, and just looking back at my first video, like 2015 was a long time, y'all. 2015 was 5 years ago, and obviously I've never been super consistent. I have good times and like I stop, and then because life happens, guys. And to be honest, when I started my channel is when my life kind of started, like when it comes to being an adult. The last 5 years have been super crazy, and I feel like I blinked and it's already 2020. I'm like, it's crazy. Like, life takes you places and it's like you didn't even imagine to be there. But yeah, I haven't been able to be really consistent, but that's not the point of this video that I wanted to talk to you guys about. I just feel like I don't know where to go with my channel. I don't know what area to target, because you guys know I love makeup. I love reviewing products. I love I'm personally, makeup artist in real life, so everything like I love is makeup. I have a whole room, guys. I have a whole room just to film and just to do makeup, and I have so much makeup, it's crazy. And I do consider myself a makeup influencer because that's what I do, and that's what I've been doing for like since like 2012, and like since 2015 on YouTube. So I do consider myself like a a makeup guru, a makeup influencer, like I don't know what you guys call it. But I just now, since like, let me see, maybe since like I started filming about the whole military life and like now the baby and everything, I feel like my channel has taken like a whole new direction that's not even the whole makeup thing, and I love that direction. Like, I literally look at those videos all day. I don't even watch like makeup videos anymore. Like, I'm just watching all day, like nighttime routine with the baby, family vlogs. Like, I watch more family vlogs than like anything else. Like my favorite YouTuber, she made a family channel, and I literally ignore her beauty videos because I just love her family videos, and I just love that so much. I'm just having a really hard time deciding if I want to change my whole channel and just go and start and just make it a family channel, which sounds crazy to me to do because I have so many makeup videos there already. I just want to, I want to do both, but I want to do both, but I don't want to do both. Like, it's been really frustrating, and I promised myself that I was going to put 3 to 4 videos a week here on YouTube, and I haven't done that because I just don't know where to go with my channel. And I don't know, it's so crazy. Like, and you guys know, like, I started my channel in 2015, and it was just fun. Like, I just started it for fun because I had like these awful under eye circles that you guys could see, and I started doing a video about that, and that has been like my most watched video, and I still get comments every single day about that video. And some people even like tell me like, oh, you're that girl that I saw on YouTube with the dark circles. And I was like, yeah. It's just so weird. But like, I started my channel just to have fun, and I know I never in a million years okay, crying. Thought that I was gonna like meet someone. Oh my god. And I never even thought that I was gonna get married and move away and be in the military wife. Like, that's like the last thing I've, but yeah, like I just feel like my life is like completely different. You know, I don't have the same friends. I live super far from my parents, like, you know. But my point is that things are changing. Change is okay. So I just want to know, you know, because I feel like I've gotten so much support from so many of you, and I feel like I've gained so many subscribers lately because of the whole baby thing. So I love that. Like, I just love that community. So if I have to change to, you know, towards that community, I would. But I just want to know you guys' input when it comes to that. Like, what do you guys think? Because you know, I'm gonna be a stay-at-home mom, you know, Lord willing, you know, that's gonna be for a couple of years, and I have to, you know, I have to make money, you know. Like, yeah, I started this for fun, but the reality is that fun is fun, but when bills come, it's not fun. And one of the number one issues in marriages, you know, the whole world, is money. So, you know, I don't want to start having those issues. You know, I want to, you know, have my own income and everything. So this for me is like, okay, you had a lot of fun. You did it for a couple of years, you know, have your fun. But because I love this so much, like, I honestly feel like I was made for this. Like, I just, like, I've been going to school to be a lawyer my whole life. Like, I grew up wanting to be a lawyer, and then out of nowhere I just changed to video editor, and my parents and everybody don't understand why I changed to video editing. But it's just like, I just fell in love with YouTube, and I just don't see myself doing any other job. Like, this is what I want to do, you know. And obviously I'm not like super famous, like, why are you stressing about this, whatever. But I just want to go hard on my channel and just go crazy and do it. But I need to know what direction to go. Do I go makeup guru? Do I go tutorials? Like, I put a makeup tutorial that I worked so hard on, and I got like 170 views, but then my baby ones have like 500 and 1,000, 2K views. So I'm just like, should I just do like baby videos? That I do love doing those, guys, don't get me wrong. It's just that it'll be kind of like taking away somebody that I am, like part of who I am, if I just don't do beauty videos. And I can't do both. I don't know, I just think just can't do both. And I don't want to have two channels. I do have another channel, which is supposed to be a vlog channel for me and my husband. I was supposed to just put vlogs there and start the baby stuff there, but I couldn't do it. I just couldn't do two channels. So that's not for me. Two channels is not for me. I just want to have one, and I just don't know what to do. So that's why I really need you guys to let me know what you think I should do. Like, you know, which videos do you guys watch? Like, you know, because obviously I have to put out what you guys watch. And yeah, just a lot. But yeah, you guys let me know down below in the comments below, in the comments what do you think I should do. It's a really hard decision. It's like, I'm like, I don't know, it's just the last 5 years have been so crazy. Oh man, oh man, oh man. But I love you guys so much. Please let me know down below what you guys think of all my craziness. These are the stuff that happened in my head, guys. These are the stuff, and I need to figure out my life. because I've been going a little crazy here at home. So yeah. But yeah, guys, let me know down below. I love you guys. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.